your coding only inside your blog post rather than your entire site. So you're going to first start off by going into Google AdSense account. Now, if you don't have one, you can create one and you'll get two sets of these codes right here. I already did mine and I'm just still waiting for mine to get approved. So I only have this option right here. So instead, I will be going to the previous one that I had on my entire site, but I'm going to only put it into my blog. So the way you do that is by going in here, and then you're going to go to advanced, and you'll go to page header code injection, and that's where you're going to put the tags that that they give you when you first create your AdSense account. And you're going to put it in here. I put mine above the Google Tag Manager. I don't really believe that makes a difference because they're both in the header. And for it gets, you get two codes. You get one of this and you get this one. You'll put the other one in here. And this will localize your code injection to only be on your blog rather than having it on your entire website. So instead of having it right here, this is where I originally had the original Google code. Now I moved it into my blog setting because this code injection area is for the entire website, and I didn't want my entire website to have Google Ads. If you do want your entire website to have Google Ads, there's many videos on YouTube that you can find going over that. All right, let me know if you have any questions.